In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an admin dashboard in Wix. We're going to create a simple private admin dashboard page inside the Wix editor and secure it with a password so only the right people can open it. I'll walk you through each click and share a helpful context along the way. Start in your Wix editor. On the left-hand toolbar, open the Pages panel by clicking the Pages icon. This is where all your site pages live and where you'll create the new admin page. Next, add a new page. Click the option to add a new page, then choose Blank Page. A blank canvas is perfect for a dashboard because you can structure it exactly the way you want it without removing pre-made elements. Name the page Admin or any clear internal name that makes sense for your team. Keeping the name straightforward will make it easy to find later. Then click Done to create and confirm the page. You now have a dedicated space to manage your content and links. With the page created, design it to your admin needs. Add headings, sections, and buttons for quick links to orders, product collections, form submissions, or any internal tools you use. Keep the layout clean and scannable so you can find things fast. Consider grouping related items and using consistent colors or icons for clarity. Now, let's keep it out of your public navigation. In the Pages panel, find your new admin page, click the three dots next to it, and choose Hide from Menu. This prevents casual visitors from seeing an admin link in your site's header or footer, which is a simple privacy measure. Next, click those three dots again and open Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Access section. Here, choose Password Holders. This option lets you gate the page behind a single password that you control. Type the password you want to use for this page. Pick something strong and unique. Avoid common words or anything you've used elsewhere. You can change this password later if your team changes or if you suspect it's been shared too widely. Finally, share the password only with the people who should have access. Send it through a secure channel and remind them not to forward it casually. If access needs evolve, return to the same access settings to update or replace the password. That's it. You created a blank admin page, named it, customized it to your needs, hid it from public menus, and secured it with a password. You now have a focused, private workspace right inside your Wix site.